Hey, what's up my friends? I have tested and pushed this air fryer to its limits, and there are two crucial things that I think you need to know about it before you buy it. I'm gonna talk about those two things in just a second, but first, let's go over what it is, some of its specs and features that make it unique. The Instant Vortex Plus is a 6-quart basket-style air fryer, designed for everyday stuff like fries, frozen foods, vegetables, and proteins. Basically anything you'd normally bake or reheat, but much faster. So let's start with the features. It weighs 12 pounds, 9 ounces. So it's substantial enough that it doesn't feel flimsy, but still easy to move if you need to shift it around. Inside, you have a standard basket and crisper tray setup. One detail worth noting is the cooking surface area on the crisper tray is roughly 9 3/4 by 9.5 inches. That surface area matters because it affects how much food you can spread out in a single layer. Power-wise, it's 1700 watts. On the control panel, you have 6 presets. You also have a dial for really quick time and temperature adjustments. One operational detail that's important with this air fryer is that it requires a preheat phase every time. The temperature range on the Instant Vortex Plus is 180 degrees to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The crisper tray and the basket are covered with a non-stick coating that make it really easy and simple to clean. My cleaning routine for this air fryer is to let the basket cool, fill with warm soapy water, give it a short soak, and then wipe or lightly scrub with something non-abrasive to make sure that I don't scratch off that non-stick coating. So if you're trying to decide if the Instant Vortex Plus fits your kitchen, here's the simple checklist. If you want a 6-quart basket air fryer for everyday meals, you like the idea of 6 presets and a dial for quick time and temp adjustments, if the temperature range of 180 to 400 degrees works well for what you're looking to cook, and if you want an easy cleaning process. All right, my friends, I hope this video has been helpful in deciding whether or not this air fryer is the right air fryer for you. Thank you so much for watching. Happy cooking.